Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel. Now this morning we are in the WhatsApp area and we're here to see Sherene just to check up on her and also to, deliver some items to her, which you'll see in a little while. But please remember to do like, share and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video you will be updated. And just to say to everyone, Happy New Year, and we are praying that the new year will bring you lots of blessings. All right, so let's go talk to her right now. Sherene?
Yes, Miss.
Oh, morning.
Nice man.
Morning. How are you?
Not bad. Yeah. Good morning.
How are you? Happy New Year to you.
Thanks very much. God bless you.
Yes, son.
Second, where's my cake?
Hi, son. How you do?
I do cake, Sherene. Morning, sir.
Oh, Lord, we come to you too early.
No, man. I me never know son I come to fix up the place, but it's alright.
How you do that? How you do fix up me?
Me always come in a wheelchair and try help.
You can't walk up and down now?
Me was this a couch one?
Oh, you was in the walker.
When me use the walker, I mean, not too much pain. Somebody did buy this, I can't come give me.
Yes.
So we just grown.
Yeah, so you use it and move around the room.
The grave digging.
You go grave digging? Yeah, go on with yourself.
And we got married grown Christmas Day.
Yes? Oh.
That somebody pushed me.
Somebody push you. Oh, okay.
Sometimes when I'm in Virgin, I have a bus. Sometimes he come for me and carry me.
Okay.
He said, my sister saw it myself.
Yeah, so him help you. That's awesome, man.
I'm carrying me home last night from dead yard.
Oh, so you go grave digging, you go dead yard and you go merry-go-round.
I come back after 8.
Okay.
I go like after 5.
Yeah, we miss out a lot.
You can show your face, something wrong with that.
Sometimes I'm boring by myself.
Yeah, man.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome, man. We're happy to see you.
Yeah.
Yes, man. And
This week, me I go for KP. Thursday coming.
Oh.
It's a Tuesday, but me that make mistake with the date.
Okay. You're going to you have your appointment.
Yeah. I go show you it. Me that make mistake with the date.
No.
Me send you tomorrow for my cousin. I made a mistake with the date. Somebody correct me this morning and tell me it's Thursday 9/9.
Okay.
Me never realize. Sit here.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, I see it. January 9. Yeah.
But me that make mistake and say Tuesday. Me never realize. And somebody correct me this morning.
So it's okay.
So me don't know what them are going to do with the throat. I mean, if them are going to send me go physiotherapy, me not sure.
What do you think them are doing with the throat?
They actually did plan to do surgery on it. They say they can't manage just Spallings and Mandeville, especially at Kingston. So that's the reason why they send me up there. And the blood test, somebody do them 5,000 upon. Somebody did give me 5,000 and make up pay them over Spallings. Somebody give them 10 from October and 5 last week. So me know with them again.
Okay.
But me have different blood tests you do still.
Okay.
You look strong, yeah.
All smiles.
Me come on 5 bed. I show you me come on 5 bed.
Okay.
And maybe I show you come off a chair, because I chair you depend now.
I chair me at use. I go show you. I go show you I chair me at use.
But you're getting stronger, man.
Just can't walk me.
Yeah. But everything takes time.
Show you
You'll
like
get
me go
there.
like so. Like so. See?
Oh, awesome, man.
Yeah.
Me I try.
God be praised.
Me I try.
Yes.
Me come back down like this way. But you me can't stand up nor walk. Just come back down so. So I
Okay.
learn to open the door and I learn to lock it.
Yes.
Sometimes I one day here.
Yes.
Sometimes he keep me
So
company.
you reach that door if you open the door?
Me push the chair.
Oh, same like how you go to the bed a while ago?
Oh,
Push the chair like sometimes when you hungry me push the ground or something. Cause me can't walk.
That chair, that
This one me always
so
push.
I don't use a wheelchair if you go around it.
Sometimes I can't remember them here.
You can't go in.
Oh, you don't remember? Oh,
So
fuse the
I-
levers.
No, so understanding.
Okay.
Once you try to move and you say now move, you check it.
She don't understand it. That's what
I
she
understanding, but me always I use the one I push.
That might fall with you, fall over.
Okay.
So better you use a wheelchair once you can't get in there.
Pepto ask me phone all the time, you know.
Who?
Pepto.
Who's back?
One girl and a John Daggy.
Okay. Okay.
He always loving me.
Okay.
She always call up Phoebe.
Yes.
But she not come since Christmas.
Okay.
They
Yeah.
come like before. Let me check up on her. And she said she alright. I didn't mean to son up to then type me always a cook.
Okay.
I go over there sometime. I'm seeing God walk far away. He said I go back walk in New Year.
Oh.
Easy, you know.
Okay.
Anytime he broke, he said I go back and walk.
Oh, you only go to work when you broke.
So like the 80 regular $500 for me, he dug out of work.
Oh.
But the other one he said back out.
Oh. All right, so Sherene, we are here this morning. We have 2 anonymous donors who would have donated
God bless you.
something for you. One would have sent some personal items in a box, which we'll get in a little while. And one has sent monetary donations.
Thank you very much.
So just want to say to both donors, thank you so much. God bless you. We appreciate your continued support, and I know Sherene appreciates it as well. And may your store basket never be empty. All right.
Thank you very much, Miss Kim. Thank you very much, Mr. Kim. God bless you all. Thank you, both donors, for what you send for me. God bless you. I hope your store basket will never empty.
All right. Well said. So we'll get that item right now. Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
So that's your.
God bless you.
That's your gift.
Yes.
So
thank you very much.
yeah. So when you're ready, you can open it.
Thanks
and
very much.
check in it.
Thanks.
You are most welcome.
Yes, Miss Kim.
All right. So otherwise, though, how are you feeling?
I just the foot, man.
Just the foot.
The letter when I did show you the art bad. So we don't know what them how to about it. The art bad. Somebody read it for me and tell me say me have to go get treatment for my heart and me get back one letter from the blood lab. The heart bad and the grave disease, the thyroid, I have to go deal with it. I don't know when them I go do the surgery. But it kind of stressing like
Isn't that the appointment? Isn't that the appointment you have?
At the appointment, I have to go to the clinic, but I don't know when them I do the surgery. I don't know if them I go hold on.
Oh, so you have to
pack up my bag still to carry with me.
Just in case they admit you. Okay.
So I'm not sure. Because you are so far, I'm not used to the hospital. I carry me necessary.
Yes.
Because I don't know if them I go hold on for me this week or them I give me one next date.
Okay.
Because the doctor's calling me for the surgery. So I have to go to the surgery. But if I have to take the ambulance, I don't pay no money. But the taxi man, I've charged $25,000. Expensive.
Yeah.
Expensive. But they will carry me.
Yeah. All right. So when you go, you'll know what is what when you go.
Yeah, when I go up there, me will know. Because I run out of medication now. Because I don't really have no cash to that for another day.
Yeah.
I don't really have no medication like that.
Okay.
So what I go do, I go carry the prescription, go up there and see if I can get some of them, and then get the money me buy the rest.
So what about the medication you normally get from the?
That's why I go carry the prescription up at KPH, see if they can give me some.
Oh, they refill it for you.
The one them they don't have, maybe I buy them there.
Oh, okay.
They go carry with me.
All right.
So I go for main facility. I go carry. So meantime, somebody already tell me the next person will come carry in a pharmacy.
Oh, okay.
Because somebody I go follow me, my mother and somebody else. I go carry wheelchair.
Okay.
Because when we go up there, we have to wait too long. And I can't manage them wheelchair too tough. That's why I beg the one there.
Okay. All right. So we're happy that we come and see you. I think that based on what we are seeing, I think you have improved a great deal compared to,
Yes, Miss Kim.
previously. So we're giving God thanks for that.
Miss Kim. I appreciate how I can sit down on the bed and come next year.
Yes.
I appreciate how I lucky door and open it by myself.
Absolutely.
First time I have to make somebody come through window for open it for me. I have to always pass the key, give them around there. So But me just one day, me just brave and say, me go try.
You're right.
Try.
And it work out.
So me keep on doing it.
Yeah, man. God be praised.
Me thank you so much, and me thank you donors, because without you and God and the donors, we would get through.
Yeah.
And we would be this far. God bless you all.
Yes, man. All right. Well said, Sherene.
Yes, Miss Kim.
All right, guys. So we have come to see Sherene. We're happy to see her. She's in good spirits, and you know, she has made a lot of improvement. We have to thank God for that. I want to also say thanks to all our donors who, you know, from the time we started interviewing her and visiting her and so on, your support. We appreciate it so much. All right. So until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thanks so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love. Stay safe and bye bye.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kim. Thank you very much, Miss Kim.
All right, Sharen, you're most welcome.
Yes, Miss Kim.